Today, board is being used in Komatsu in quite a lot of areas already. And we also feel that the more we're using board, the more people start seeing the advantage of having a single database or a single base of truth where we can rely on the data.
We are using board for the budgeting and the forecasting. On a daily basis we are using to upload our new business volumes, so our numbers, our units, and then on a quarterly basis we are using these numbers to budget and forecast the future of the financial year.
So we have about 7-8 entities which are reporting closely to us and which we are consolidating in board. So where we were previously collecting data, making calculations. We now still do the calculations, we still do the data checks, but we have more time left for also data analysis. They are perfectly able to upload data themselves, which then the next user or the next person in the flow can immediately start working upon. That's a first important time gain, but also the processing speed of data has gone up drastically.
We have a lot of data sources, but we are using the smart import object for many uploads. So we have data coming from Excels with a lot of rows, like 5,000 rows, but we can upload it quite easily due to the smart import object. It's also easy to set up where the data will flow to. I like to be efficient, and using board is being more efficient than using our old Excels and using the old calculations.
Now it's really one hit of a button, making sure the processes have run, the procedures are done, and basically the result is there and it is reliable.